deep in the mountains of Lides, Rio de Janeiro. Something was witnessed that cannot be easily explained. A couple was visiting a remote waterfall, far from any roads or signs of civilization. The place was silent, untouched. Then, through the mist of the falling water, they saw it. A human-like figure, standing perfectly still, inside the waterfall. As if it didn't belong to this world. The couple tried to understand what they were seeing, but in a matter of seconds, the figure simply vanished. There was no sound, no trace, nothing. What makes this even more disturbing is that this happened long before the age of AI, deepfake technology, or digital manipulation. Only nature and whatever was standing inside that waterfall. To this day, no one can explain what was captured that day in Lides. But some say it wasn't supposed to be seen at all.
Caraca, apareceu um cara ali.